Got another unboxing for you today. Something special. I was able to get the knife I wanted the most in 2025. I got it now. I'm going to use my Spyderco McBee, my favorite package opener in my collection. I'll use that to open this guy up. Here's Dusty. Say hello, Dusty. Say hi. Say hi, Dusty. Okay, take two. Got the package open. Cat's out of here. Let's go for it. Got a bunch of stickies. Shout out to bladebinge. Oh yeah. Making things happen over here. Got some peanuts. Got something for us over here. This kind of gives it away. Here we go, y'all. Tristache V2. It's Tristache V2. Full piss. Oh yeah, he Tri-State. Open this up. Okay. Got a nice little stash cloth. Right. It's feeling good. It's pretty good quality. It's decent. And here we go. Nothing else in here. Wow. Here it is. Wow. This is really nice. Really nice. Got a little reverse flick. Woo! Wow. This thing is really nice already. I could see why people were raving over this thing last year and why it sold out so quickly, and this time around as well. Wow. Wow, that's wow. That's dropping like wow. You see that? Like nothing. Like nothing. Let's try this. Woo! Wow. I'm speechless. I have nothing to say. Oh yeah. Looking great. Hope everyone is enjoying their Tristache V2. Maybe you got the dark mode. But man, this is a beaut, I will say. It's a beauty.